Today we need to see how to push the code to the GitHub and how to deploy the code. Okay, so already I have created one task. The task is the star rating. Okay, so I have created the index.html. So index.html I have created the all the things in the HTML. So after that we have created one style.css. So I updated all this CSS kind of things, and then the JS. So I have updated all the functionalities. Okay, so the thing is like we need to deploy, otherwise we need to push this code into the GitHub. Okay, after that we can deploy, means we can host the uh, this star rating. Okay, so now we can see in the local, so you can see, so we are able to see the our star rating UI. Okay, and it's working fine. Okay, the stars also, it's updating. Okay, so now we need to do one thing here. First step, so go to your exact path. Okay, so right now I'm the exact path only. Okay, so here the thing is like first command, this is git init. We need to initialize the this project. Okay, so here you can see there is initialized empty git repository. Okay, so now we need to add git space add dot. Okay, so it will add all the files. Okay, you can see these are the green color. So before add it was the red color. Okay, after that we need to commit. Okay, commit n. So we need to add some comments. So it's a first task regarding star rating. Okay, so I committed. So the next step we need to do one thing. So we need to log in the GitHub. Okay, create a repository as a star rating. Okay, in JS. Okay, so click on the create repository, and you can take this link actually. Okay, git remote add origin, github, these things. Okay, so you can run here. Okay, parallelly you have to run these two also. Okay, now you can refresh your GitHub. So now you are able to see the three files in the GitHub. Okay, so we have pushed the code into the GitHub. Okay, now we have to do one thing. So now we need to go to the settings. In this thing there is a setting. Okay, in that setting, so you'll get some all the things. Okay, like collaboration, like that moderation options, branches, tags, all the things. Okay, so here in the left part there is a pages. You have to click on the pages. Okay, after the pages there is a GitHub pages. Okay, so below the GitHub pages there is a build and deployment. You can click on this drop down, click on that, select the GitHub action. Okay, so you can configure the static HTML. Okay, and here the right side there is a commit changes, and commit, click on the commit changes. Okay, our job will start it. So go to the action. Okay, in that action, so still not started. Let's see what happened. Pages, git action, a file, same name, already, try again. Okay, we'll see what happened. Yeah, it's already running here. Okay, so here you can see there is a deploy. So you can take one, like you will get one link actually here. Okay, so using this link you can able to host your site. So this link you can use to anywhere. So like this star rating will be able to see actually. So this is the thing. So uh, push code to the GitHub and host the project to the static HTML. So we have one more types called that Netlify. We'll see later. Okay, so that's it actually.